Hi, I'm Gary Malik, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about RAM installation. Probably the easiest of all upgrades for computer user, and they'll charge you a decent amount at the store, but pretty much anybody could do this on their own. You don't need to pay somebody to do it. I have here 2 RAM sticks. This is a newer computer, so new Intel-based, Core-based processors. Generally, will have 4 RAM. On most computers now, the Core 2 Intel-based, there's 4 RAM slots, color-coded. They have to be in pairs. You can't just put one chip in. I'm going to use the white here. And make sure you line up. You're going to have a notch. All RAM has a notch. Here. You always are going to have a notch. Make sure you line your notch up. It's only one way it can go. Slide it in nice and easy. Take your 2 fingers here on the ends and push down. You'll hear a click. There you have it. One's in. Do the same thing on the same color on the other side. Push down. And there you have it. You just installed RAM. It's that easy. Now if you do is put your case back together, plug your computer in, turn it on, and it'll be recognized automatically all by itself. You have to do nothing further.